Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. All of my videos are for only inspirational purposes. I used to grow kale just because of its beautiful curly leaves, but now I grow kale as medicine because of its food value. This is one of the most highly nutritious leafy vegetable in the world. It has got all the vitamins, most of the vitamins actually human body need. I'm making brunch for us today with kale. Let's go see how I make it.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والسماء ذات البروج.
By the sky containing great stars,
واليوم الموعود.
and by the promised day,
وشاهد ومشهود.
and by the witness and what is witnessed.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
Destroyed were the companions of the trench,
النار ذات الوقود.
containing the fire full of fuel,
إذ هم عليها قعود.
when they were sitting near it,
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
and they, to what they were doing against the believers, were witnesses.
وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد.
And they resented them not except because they believed in Allah, the exalted in might, the praiseworthy,
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
to whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and Allah over all things is witness.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Indeed, those who have tortured the believing men and believing women, and then have not repented, will have the punishment of hell, and they will have the punishment of the burning fire.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير.
Indeed, those who have believed and done righteous deeds will have gardens beneath which rivers flow. That is the great attainment.
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
Indeed, the assault of your Lord is severe.
إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد.
Indeed, it is He who originates creation and repeats.
وهو الغفور الودود.
And He is the forgiving, the affectionate,
ذو العرش المجيد.
honorable owner of the throne,
فعال لما يريد.
effector of what He intends.
هل أتاك حديث الجنود.
Has there reached you the story of the soldiers?
فرعون وثمود.
those of Pharaoh and Thamud.
بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب
But they who disbelieve are in persistent denial.
والله من ورائهم محيط
While Allah encompasses them from behind.
بل هو قرآن مجيد
But this is an honored Quran,
في لوح محفوظ
inscribed in a preserved slate.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والسماء والطارق
By the sky and the night comer.
وما أدراك ما الطارق
And what can make you know what is the night comer?
النجم الثاقب
It is the piercing star.
إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ
There is no soul but that it has over it a protector.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق
So let man observe from what he was created.
خلق من ماء دافق
He was created from a fluid ejected,
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب
emerging from between the backbone and the ribs.
إنه على رجعه لقادر
Indeed, Allah, to return him to life, is able.
يوم تبلى السرائر
The day when secrets will be put on trial.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر
Then man will have no power or any helper.
والسماء ذات الرجع
By the sky which returns rain,
والأرض ذات الصدع
and by the earth which cracks open.
إنه لقول فصل
Indeed, the Quran is a decisive statement,
وما هو بالهزل
and it is not amusement.
إنهم يكيدون كيدا
Indeed, they are planning a plan,
وأكيد كيدا
but I am planning a plan.
فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا
So allow time for the disbelievers. Leave them a while.
I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, subscribe to see more. Allah Hafiz.